how to download Assetto Corsa on your laptop. For that, you need your Steam account first. If you don't have Steam, you need to download it from your browser. Just open your browser and search for Steam download. Click on this link. From here, you can install the download the Steam setup file and install the application from that file. Once you are set up, make sure to log into your account. Then this should be your home page. At the top right, you can see the search bar. Just simply search for your game, Assetto Corsa. It will show up right away on the first option. So if you want to know more about the game, you can scroll all the way down. You can read about the game right here. But in order to purchase the game, you can click on add to cart. You can buy the season pass and other ultimate edition bundle from here, but to buy the basic package, you just click on the first link, add to cart. You can directly view your cart from here, or if you go up, you can see your cart right here as well. Then make sure this is for your account, because sometimes it might be selected this as a gift to your friend. So if you want to purchase it for yourself, make sure this is selected. Then simply continue to payment. Steam has provided us with various payment methods. For PayPal, you can simply continue, enter your PayPal details and purchase the game. And it's similar for other payment method as well. For example, Visa, you just enter your card details right here and your billing information, click on continue, then you should be able to purchase the game. Now after you've purchased it, you can go on your library. Your game will show up right here and you have to install it. Then you are good to go. Then you should be able to play the game. And that's how you install Assetto Corsa on your PC. Thank you for watching.